Good morning, all. I'm Dr. Subhash Chandran from Emmanuel Sir College of Pharmacy. A topic which we are going to discuss today is preparation of powders. The powders are defined as uniform and dry mixture of one or more finely divided particulate matter of solid medicaments. Or the pharmaceutical powders are individual mixtures of dry, finely divided powders or chemicals that may be intended for internal or external use. On seeing the method of preparation, the simple powders contain only one ingredient either in crystalline or amorphous form. These powders should preferably be reduced to fine powder, weighed properly, and supplied in a single dose packet separately. The wrapping of powders may be single wrapped or double wrapped according to the properties of the drugs. If the drug is resistant to atmospheric conditions, it can be wrapped singly, and if it is sensitive to those conditions, it must be double wrapped. You see an example of simple powder. There is a paracetamol powder. The formula is paracetamol 500 mg. Method: weigh accurately the required amount of paracetamol powder which is already in its fine state. If not, then first reduce to fine powder and weigh. Wrap each dose in a white demi paper. If you can see about the compound powders. The compound powders contain two or more ingredients supplied in the form of fine state of powder in divided doses. That is, each dose is supplied in a single separate packet. Example is APC powder. The formula for APC powder is aspirin 250 mg, paracetamol 150 mg, caffeine 50 mg. The preparation method is powder each ingredient and weigh the required quantities. Mix them in geometrical proportion and supply in divided doses. Wrap each dose in a double wrapped paper. You can see about the various methods of mixing of compound powders. Compound powders may be mixed by any one of the following methods: spatulation, trituration, geometric dilution, sifting, and tumbling. In the spatulation method, the powders are mixed by the movement of spatula throughout the powders on a sheet of a paper or on a porcelain tile. This method is very useful in mixing a small amount of powder or solid substances that liquefy. Under trituration method, it is used for both reduced particle size and mixed powders. If the particle size reduction is desired along with the mixing of powders, a porcelain mortar with a rough inner surface is preferred to glass mortar with a smooth working surface. Under geometric dilution, the method is used when potent substances are too mixed with large amount of dilutes. The potent drug is placed upon an approximately equal volume of the dilute in a mortar and substances are slightly mixed by trituration. In the sifting process, the powders are mixed by passing through sifters. This process results in a light, fluffy product and is generally not accepted for incorporation of potent drugs into a dilute base. Under tumbling action, it is a process of mixing powders in large container rotated by an electric motor. These blenders are widely employed in industry as well as large volume powder mixtures. Thank you.